Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 52, Quranic verses, The Excellence of the Grateful Wealthy Person. You will never be able to attain godliness and virtue until you spend of what you love, in Allah's cause, or to provide sustenance for the needy. Whatever you spend, Allah has full knowledge of it. Al-Imran 392. As for him who gives out of his wealth for Allah's good pleasure, and keeps from disobedience to him in reverence for him and piety, and affirms the best in creed, action, and the reward to be given, we will make easy for him the path to the state of ease, salvation after an easy reckoning. Al-Layl 92, verse 5-7. Far removed from it, the fire, will be he who keeps farthest away from disobedience to Allah in greater reverence for him and piety, who spends his wealth in Allah's cause and for the needy, so that he may grow in purity, without anyone who has favored him so that he should spend in return for it, nor expecting any reward in return for what he spends. Rather, he spends only in longing for the good pleasure of his Lord, the Most High. He will certainly be contented, he with his Lord and his Lord with him. Al-Layl 92, 17-21. If you dispense your alms openly, it is well, but if you conceal it and give it to the poor in secret, this is better for you, and Allah will make it an atonement to blot out some of your evil deeds. Allah is fully aware of all that you do. Al-Baqarah 2:271. Hadith number 297. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Ilm 15. Zakah 5. Ahkam 3. Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 268. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "You can only have envy for two things: for a man to whom Allah has given wealth, which he spends in the way of the truth, and for a man to whom Allah has given wisdom, and he acts by it and teaches it." Hadith number 298. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tawhid 45. Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 266. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "You can only have envy for two things: for a man to whom Allah has given the Quran, and he gets up and recites it throughout the night, and for a man to whom Allah has given wealth, and he spends it throughout the night and the day,